Hi, and welcome to the TinkerSteps channel. Today we're going to cover basic navigations when you're using TinkerCAD. Here are the 6 things that we're going to cover today. Dragging shapes out, selecting multiple shapes, zooming in and out, changing viewing angles, changing the work plane position view, and returning to the starting view. Make sure you've got a mouse with 3 buttons, left click, scroll wheel, and the right click. So assuming that everyone has a TinkerCAD account, let's load up a new work plane and get started. Feel free to pause the video to catch up to wherever you need to. So the first thing we're going to do is to drag and select shapes. So I've got my diagram at the bottom left just to help people out. I'm going to drag this red box by left clicking and dragging it all the way out and dropping it to wherever I need it to. You can see that I can also select this red shape, and be careful to not click on any of these white bits, and make sure you're clicking on a face of the shape, and you can drag it and move it to wherever you want to. You can click another shape by going left click and dragging it out and dropping it to wherever you need to. To select multiple shapes at once, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, click and drag on a white workplane area and select with a red dotted line box whichever shapes you want to group together. You can see that I've got 2 shapes grouped together, and if I left click on both of them, I'm moving both of them together. The next thing we're going to cover is zooming in and out. To zoom in, with your scroll wheel, push forward to zoom in and push towards you to zoom out. The next thing we're going to do is change the viewing angle. To do that, it's the right click. So hold down the right click and then move your mouse around on the table. Don't let go until you find a position that you like, and then let go and then continue working as you see fit. The next thing we're going to look at is changing the work plane position view. So I'm going to shift this whole work plane view by holding down the scroll wheel. So clicking on the scroll wheel, hold that down and then move the mouse around. Let's say that you've gotten yourself into a little bit of an awkward position, like I've done so now, and you sort of want to get back to the original starting view. TinkerCAD's made this really easy with a home view button on the left. Click on that and it'll return you back to the starting view. And that's it. So make sure you understand how to do these 6 skills, and if you can, well done. We'll see you next time. Thanks.